Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you a security camera for indoor and outdoor use. And it's wireless because it has a built-in battery. Nice. This is an HeimVision rechargeable battery-powered camera. Wi-Fi home security camera with cloud service if you like. The alternative is a micro SD card too. Everything is possible. It comes with motion detection, two-way audio setup, 1080p, and it is waterproof, thread-free, 100% wire-free and really easy to install. The built-in rechargeable battery and the Wi-Fi, but take care, only compatible with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi router, but this is not the point because every 5 GHz Wi-Fi router has the 2.4 GHz band on board. You have to enable it if it is necessary. We can install it anywhere, flexible, without worrying about annoying buyers. HeimVision battery security cameras comes with the magnetic wall mount and a 360 degrees metal stand. The installation position is not limited. We can install and set up our device in minutes. It's really easy, as you can see. And this wireless camera fit for indoor and outdoor, residential areas, retail store, and of course for your business object. Yeah, 1080p full HD images and clear IR night vision is on board. The HeimVision outdoor security camera system is equipped with 2 megapixel HD lens. It provides us a crisp and clear video up to 1920 to 1080. And it can auto switch to night vision mode when it is dark out. Infrared night vision LEDs provide the light for clear videos. Ability to monitor the house or driveway or garden at night. We will never be in the dark. And smart PIR motion detection and alert notifications. This wireless rechargeable security camera system shadow label motion detection, motion recording, and real-time motion alert via the app. Upload snapshots and videos motion sensibility adjustment. Equipped with an artificial intelligence software. Effectively avoids false positives caused by pets, winds, or leaves. When the motion is detected, the motion video is triggered and smart clips start recording. If human detected in the video, the HeimLife app will alert us immediately. And we have a 2 audio way. The wireless security camera has a built-in speaker and microphone, 360 degrees noise cancelling, hypersensitive microphone, eliminates excess environmental noise for much clear sound quality. We can communicate with our visitors at anywhere with our mobile phone. And we can also warn any stranger that are not invited to our house to leave. This wireless security cam will protect our family day and night. And we have a rechargeable battery security camera system here. The HeimVision Wi-Fi camera comes with 6,000 mAh battery. It can be charged with a 5-volt 2 Ah power adapter or, optional, with a solar panel. Wow! Which can be used for 3 up to 6 months after being full charged. We can place it indoor and outdoor without worrying about continuously charging it. Yeah, but take care. You have to fully charge it before you will use it. And then, of course, if you are using the cam in a detection way which the cam will make every minute a video of it, because it's not 24/7. It's 24/7 on, really on. But it does not take 24/7 camera video. No. It will only take a picture and video if there is a movement detection. And this is better for our storage and better for the power supply, for the power organism. Giving the best family care with the HeimVision wireless rechargeable battery-powered security camera system. It protects our home throughout the garden. Two-way audio, magnetic mount. These I like really much because you can install it where you like. If there is a metal area, you can dock it there. Wow! With night vision, Pir motion sensor, instant alert via the app, and it's really true wireless, and of course it's IP65 waterproof and battery and solar powered as you like. Of course you can install a panel at the area of your camera installed, and then the light, the sun, will get the power back into the battery inside. On the front side of the device, you have the PIR sensor, a microphone, an IR LED, a lens, and an LED indicator. On the rear side of the device, you have a speaker, a memory card slot, a magnetic mount hole, and a reset hole. If you have some trouble, push the reset button deep for about 5 seconds, and then it will reboot. Then we have a memory card slot, 4 micro SD cards, and a power input area micro USB. With this wire, you can reload the cam by using your personal computer or your smartphone AC adapter, for example. And you have a power button to switch it on and off easily, really easy. You will get everything what you need: a battery security cam, a USB cable for reloading, a metal stand. If you are using the metal stand, you can you can mount the metal stand with 3 screws on, for example, on the wall, etc. And then it's mounted there. But I like it so much, the magnetic mount. The magnetic mount is awesome because you can take the magnetic mount where you like and then dock easily the battery security cam on it. You can dock the magnetic mount with the 3M adhesive pad on walls, on chairs, on tables, on what you like, really. You have included is a razor pin and screws. HeimVision wireless security camera 3. With the best HeimVision wireless security cameras, we can help protect our home or business from any burglar or intruders, even without a power supply. This Wi-Fi surveillance camera also makes the process of installing a lot better, easier. It saves our time, effort, and mess of working with wires on our property and drilling holes for its use. And fully charge when using it for the first time. And note, it's not supports 24/7 all-day recording. It will only start to record the video when the PIR sensor of the cam detects the movement of human body. Oh, and you should install a micro SD card, which is not included, before powering on the cam. This camera supports micro SD cards with a capacity up to 128 GB. This is a lot. And it only works with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi routers, not working with the 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. And only works with the HeimLive app. Other third-party apps not supported. But the HeimLive app is really awesome, as you can see. You can look history, live camera, cloud services. You can look to inside the app. You can look for some informations, for alerts, etc. Really, and you can make a 2-audio conversation with it. Recording and playback. The HeimVision wireless security camera allows users to add the microSD card up to 128 GB, save motion triggered videos to our SD card, and cloud swiftly. Recorded videos can be replayed via the HeimLife app and client without any additional subscription fees. And you can use device sharing. The wireless security cam supports multiple users to view the camera and past video records simultaneously. Let the whole family view the status of the home in real time. Protect our house and property together. Only the main account has the right to access the camera and share to other accounts. Its encrypted storage and transmission technology will protect the privacy. And we can use SD card storage and encrypted cloud. This outer security camera supports both local 128 GB TF card storage and cloud storage to avoid the risk of losing our TF card. HeimLife Cloud Service requires no personal data and protects surveillance videos with HTTPS certificates security. Unlimited cloud storage for a limited fee. We can browse easily surveillance history anywhere and anytime if we're going to use the cloud service. And it's IP65 waterproof. The home security cam temperature ranges from -4 degrees Celsius to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. These are -20 degrees Celsius up to 50 degrees Celsius, which means the QT cam is strong enough to withstand rough weather and water resistant, even in the storm and snowy weather. Yeah, awesome device, I like it really much. Smart Pir Motion Detection. HeimVision camera provides a 120 degrees wide angle view. The built-in smart Pir motion sensor only reacts to mammals or anything above temperature above 86 degrees Fahrenheit. These are 30 degrees Celsius. And the effective distance of the Pir function is 22 up to 35 feet. Remote monitor it anytime. Wherever we are, we can remotely access and control this network camera system with the HeimLife app browser on our phone. With built-in microphone and speakers, we can see, hear and speak with our kids, pets and visitor directly. And this is smart on, better, awesome, awesome. And HeimVision 3 security cam is IPX8 waterproof, and you can buy separately the HeimVision HMF3 solar panel to get the power by using the sunlight on day to reload the built-in battery on it. Really awesome device. It's really easy to install. The only thing you have to do is reload or fully charge it. Then of course you can attach it easily. Then you have to register and log in an account on the app. This is the HeimVision app itself. There you have to make an email account, etc. for it, and then you are on the way. The only thing is you have to pair these two devices by using a QR code. It's really easy to install, and then you are on the way to use your indoor and outdoor camera system. Easy. It's really easy. You can connect by using the QR code. Only hold the QR code in front of the lens of the cam system. Then everything is connected. Of course, you have to log into your Wi-Fi network with it too, yeah. And then you can make a history look. You can have a setup, etc. On the screen, you can see the back to main interface. You can turn on off the live audio from the camera. Can look the real-time bitrate of the live video. You can tap to capture a photo and save to your photo or videos on your device itself. Then you can make the motion detection on or off. Then detailed settings, you can see battery status on the right upper side, you can see, and control. Then you can toggle between SD and HD. Of course, SD is recommended for smooth streaming, but HD looks better. Then you can go to full screen on your device easily. Wi-Fi signal is detected. Oh, everything what is it's easy to use, and everything is possible with the security camera system. You can talk, you can look, you can make videos, you can make pictures, and you can browse to the history. And this all mobile. If you are on the way, your smartphone with yet device, and the device is docked with your security camera system, you can use mobile. I used it, it's really awesome. And it's so easily. You can use it on desktop, magnetic, or you can use it with the stand itself. Then you have a 6000 mAh rechargeable battery powered inside, or with solar panel, or by using USB wire. Then two-way audio. Then you can talk with the with your visitors, or with your pets, with your children, etc. easily. And the Pir Motion Detection. This is artificial intelligence on the best. This is a security camera, indoor and outdoor wireless battery camera by HeimVision. And it comes with a rechargeable battery, Wi-Fi home security system with cloud service if you like, motion detection, two-way audio, 1080p, and it's waterproof. This is Frit 3. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.